Atlanta Braves head trainer Jeff Porter facing the new year without his wife, Kathy, after a tragic car wreck involving a state trooper at the intersection of Memorial Drive and Capitol Avenue.
He's running lights and sirens.
According to the Georgia State Patrol, Trooper First Class Donald Crozier was on his way to help with a chase on I-20 when he struck the Porter's SUV, sending it into a light pole. You always hear a lot of talk about whether the officers' lights and siren were running when they went through an intersection. But keep in mind, that does not give law enforcement carte blanche when it comes to red lights. That means a lot of hard questions will be asked. Something officials on the scene alluded to hours after the crash.
You still exercise due regard when you pass any kind of intersection or anything, but he was going against the red light.
This is a double tragedy for both sides.
Defense attorney William Head has taken an interest, and not just because he's handled hundreds of traffic cases.
I happen to know the trooper, and I know Mr. Porter just through being introduced to him by a friend on the Braves. It's a double tragedy because, you know, Crozier is a great trooper. Everybody will tell you he's a hard-working person. I'm sure he's as torn up about this as the family is, except for the fact they've lost a key person in their lives.
According to the GSP, Trooper Crozier was responding to a call of an officer on I-20 trying to pull over several motorcycle riders who wouldn't stop. Later, a clarification that Crozier, quote, was not involved in a chase, but going to assist another trooper.
It's all a matter of weighing which factor is more important, and in the kind of heavy traffic that had to be down there that day, this situation is going to come down to what was the speed, what was the necessity, and was this really the best use of the officer's discretion about what speed to be going to get to this location.
Some of those answers could come in the accident report due later this week, but both the GBI and the Fulton County DA's office are also looking into the crash. In Atlanta, Duffy Dixon, 11 Alive News.